Hello everyone, as you can see we have another Star Wars The Black Series figure in front of us. This time is the Gamorrean Guard. This one holds a special place in my heart because when I was a young lad, I had a much smaller version of this and definitely not as detailed. And it was probably one of my favorite figures. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at the outside of the box. We're going to go ahead and unbox the figure, and then from there, we'll go ahead and take a look at his articulation, take some pictures, and then come back and talk about some of the things that we like and or don't like about the figure, and maybe some things that we learned while taking those pictures. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at this figure. All right, so on the front of the box, you can see it's kind of the older style Black Series figure with the red box. We've got the Gamorrean Guard. Looks like he's got a bunch of weapons here, so that's going to be fun. And then we've got the image there. On the side here, we've got the Gamorrean Guard, and it's got Echo 2502. Then on the back, we've got Gamorrean Guard, Burly, pig-like brutes who favored axes and other primitive weapons. Gamorreans were often used as muscle by Hutts and other underworld kingpins. Jabba the Hutt employed a gang of intimidating Gamorreans to guard his palace on Tatooine. But as you saw, we actually saw some Gamorreans on The Mandalorian as well, so it's kind of cool. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox the figure. We'll go ahead and go from the bottom, as that's typically the best way to do it. Perfect. All right. Oh, that's cool. He's got like the fur there, so that's actually really cool. I wasn't expecting that. And then we got this guy, looking like this might be the best way. Yeah, his staff. Axe number 1. Axe number 2. And oh, that's why. Let's go ahead and get some snips. Doot, 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 doot. It's got a snipper on that arm and that arm as well. And got the feet. He is a sturdy beast. I'll tell you what. All right. Let me go ahead and get everything cleaned up here and I'll be right back. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the Gamorreans' weapons first. We've got the very large bladed axe up front. These actually are pretty well weighted. I'm very impressed with that. I like the fact, maybe we can get some close up there. We got the weathering and, dirt and blood and or whatever else on the blade. And then on the handle, it looks like wood. So good job on that. And then we've got the axe, the normal axe, and we've got the same treatment on the blade. Focus. There we go. Same treatment on the blade there. I like the fact that it's not just plain. And they did a really good job on the handle as well on that. So happy with that. And then we got the staff here, which again, if we can get it to stay in focus, good detail on that. And then we've got the handle as well. Awesome. So let's go ahead and take a look at the actual Gamorrean here. He's hefty. He's got some weight to him. So I'm pretty impressed with that. Let's go ahead and change the camera angle just a little bit so we can get a closer look. So let's go ahead and see here. The head, you're not really going to get a whole lot of movement on the head. That's the side to side. Up down is decent, but watch this. You can actually open the mouth. I mean, how cool is that? I think Hasbro did a great job on that, actually. So pretty cool on that. The elbows, we've got a good bend on that. Definitely the 90 degrees. We're not going to get at the shoulder. Probably do a full 360. We've got the full 360 at the elbow as well. And same thing on the other side. I really like the shoulder belt thing here. We've got some good detail there as well. The body, do a full twist. Go left, can go right, up, down, all around. The butt has got a diaper on him. I don't know how else to say it. It's squeegee. I don't know if that's a word. And I like the fact that this is fur here. I think they did a good job on that. The leg, it is a double knee, but it's not going to really go that far. And then we've got the sandal with the feet up and down. Got some good motion there. I have a feeling that in almost any position you put this guy in, he's going to stand up. He's got good weight to him. So I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to taking some pictures and see how he holds the different weapons that we have here. So that brings us to the next part here. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take some pictures. While I'm doing this, if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Gamorrean with some pictures. So I think that was a good look at the Gamorrean. I think this is actually a really, really good figure. I like the fact that he is so sturdy. You can pretty much put him in any position you want. He's not going to fall over. You don't have to worry about using museum putty or anything else to get him to stand up. The leather here, or the leather looking material, looks really good. You know, the armor, I mean, they did a really good job on this. I like the fact that his mouth opens up. His eyes look really good. I don't really have anything negative to say about this figure. I'm actually really happy with him. Again, I like that he is able to stand up on his own. You can put this on your shelf and you're not going to have to worry about him. I mean, I'm really curious as to whether or not I should get another one. Don't tell my wife. Anyways, so I think this is actually a really good figure. Like I said, I think it's going to look really good with any collection. Now, I really wish that I had a Jabba now. But anyways, so yeah. So again, I really like the fur here. I think that the diaper material underneath is kind of weird, but I think they need that. So it wasn't like a solid plastic. It would have been super heavy, and it kind of makes it feel real-ish, I guess. I don't know. That's not the right term. But anyways, I think it's going to look really good with any Black Series collection. So anyways, like I said before, if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to take a look around. We do a lot of things on the channel dealing with Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series, but we do other things as well. Things that a professional geek might find interesting. Me, myself, being a professional geek, I like to share things that I find interesting, and hopefully you do as well. So with that, have a great day.